In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the alternating arm dumbbell bench press. You will need a flat bench and a pair of dumbbells. Go ahead and grab one of the dumbbells and bring it to your thigh and do the same thing with the other dumbbell. Make sure that you have enough space on the bench so that when you lay back down, that your head will actually land on the bench and not off of it. So come down very carefully. You're going to bring one heel to the bench with a bent knee to help support the weight as you come down. Oops, misjudged a little bit. Let's get you a little bit more. There we go. And other heel to the bench. As you come down, you're going to bring your shoulder blades down away from your ears and then squeeze them together and then plant them into the bench. This is important. That's going to keep your shoulder blades from moving around in the bench press because you want to actually isolate the front of the chest and keep the shoulder blades out of it in this case. So now that you're here, you're going to bring one dumbbell to your side. It's going to be about nipple level, and you want to have your elbow bent about 45 degrees away from the ribs. So not too far out, don't flare out. Keep it a little bit tucked in. Same thing on the other side. Bring your feet down. Make sure your feet are in a position where you can actually dig into the ground. That's really going to help you gain some extra strength. Squeeze the glutes just a little bit, and then you're going to push one dumbbell up and overhead to a straight arm. Come slightly into the middle. Control it as you bring it back down, all the way back to that starting position. Same thing, other side, alternate. Exhale as you push up, inhale as you come back down. Work between reps. Exhale with the effort. Now, because of your alternating, you're going to feel the temptation to twist through your torso. Your goal here is to avoid that temptation. You're going to resist that temptation. So you do a little extra core workout as you do the bench press. Once you've concluded your reps, bring the heels back up to the bench, bring the dumbbells back up to the thighs, and then exhale. Sit back up, and then bring them carefully down to the side. There are other ways of getting out of the position, including if you have a spotter, which is great. What you don't want to do though is just dump the dumbbells from here. It's really bad for the shoulder, especially when you have some heavy weights. You'll see it a lot in the gym, and a lot of times people who are using weights that are actually a little bit too heavy for them already. So find a way you can manage and that you can control safely. Don't injure yourself in the process, okay? So that is the alternating arm dumbbell bench press.